एवरीवन। जैसे कि आपको पता है कि हम लास्ट ईयर पैरा बेसिक कोर्स को गए थे नवंबर में। हमारी ट्रेनिंग जब आपको ये वीडियो मिलेगा उसके नेक्स्ट डे ही स्टार्ट हुई थी गए साल। तो उसको आज 1 साल होने को आया है और हम आपको ये वीडियो प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं।
Hello everyone, I am Sriraj from Kerala. I was the one among 3 NCC cadets of Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate who were selected to the All India Para Basic course November 2019. Now I feel proud that now I am a para jumper. I have jumped three times from a height of 1,200 feet. It was that a pretty experience. It was a good ecstatic experience for me in my life. I got chance to interact with our daredevils, para commandos, and special forces. My journey to this camp was started last June 2019. I had two level selection process. First one from my battalion, and the second one from my group, Ernakulam group. I belong to 23 Kerala Battalion NCC under Ernakulam group of Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate. First, I was selected from my battalion. After the selection process, that is I had physical test, ground test, as well as a personal interview, individual interview, which was taken by my respected commanding officer, Lieutenant Vinod Devagaran sir. He interviewed me, and my physical and ground test was done then. And after that, I was selected to attend the group level selection process. And the very next day, I went to my group headquarters to attend that group level selection. Basically, I believe that I am an optimist, but then I was not that much, because I know that I have to race with the lions of each battalion, the creams of each battalions under that our group. So I was not that much confident also, but I had a persistent mindset to back that selection, because I damnly decided to back that, because I know that no one was selected to this camp, this para jumping camp, before in the past years. So I decided to utilize this chance to got selected, got screened in. So I was not ready to give up. So I done well. That means I done my confidence well, and I arrived there and waited. After some time, sometimes my honorable group commander, Commodore R. Ramakrishna Iyer, Vishishta Seva Medal, interviewed me. He asked some tricky questions related to physics, because he know that he is a mathematics student. So he asked some questions from physics. But I know that how much I know about physics, because for me, that physics subject was a Waterloo. It was a worst subject for me, so I was not that much aware about physics, because that was my problem. I was not interested in that subject, but I love mathematics. Then I gave my level best, and at the same time I said, "Sir, sorry, I don't know. Sir, sorry, I don't know its answer." That was my reply for some of his questions. But I believe that I done well. So the interview was over for everyone. After that, our training officer, Colonel Madhusa, checked our physical standards and how much we were physically capable to that camp, that our parajumping camp. He gave regatta, he gave push-ups, he gave run. After that, that selection also uh, was over. Then we waited for the result to come, and finally the result was come. I was selected. Oh God, I can't say that feeling. Uh, that much I was happy. Uh, I can't say that by that feeling by words. I was that much excited and happy and jubilant. Then mm, that that selection process was over, all over. Then after some days, and during July, August, and September, I completed my fitness uh, medical test. Then, as well as my police verification also. I completed my all paperworks and all procedures for this camp, and I waited for that day, that journey begin day. I waited for that, and mm, and on October 29th, 2019, we started our journey from Thrissur railway station with Surya ma'am and Subedar Bibal Ram sir. We started from Thrissur railway station to Agra Khan railway station. The journey was so nice for us. With me, there were Fasana Rafiq from Calicut Group and Arun George from Kottayam Group. We were the three representatives of Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate for this para basic course. Of course, my life has been changed by this camp because first of all, I got lots of contact from all over India. Now I have friends around this India, uh, uh, and I experienced a lot of cultures, different cultures from different states. Uh, so I'm really lucky to have these sort of friends from each state, and at the same time, on the other hand, uh, I improved my communication skill also. I was not that much good in speaking then, but now I can speak very confidently different. Uh, so I have already improved that, and more than that, now I have a confidence to do anything. That is, of course, before I have, but now it was increased. Uh, I will do anything. That means I will do any adventure activities now. I have that potential. I have that confidence, and of course, that confidence level also being has been improved by this. And um, yeah, and my physique and my physical standards, physical levels also got increased. So that that was my changes. That is my changes, which was I arrived at Agra Khan railway station on 1st October 2019, and soon we were shifted to Para Holding Wing, where our accommodation was settled. Uh, and the cadets from other directorates were also coming then, and we were binded as one. Um, then, after a couple of days, our training was started. The 40 cadets of each directorate from each directorate were split as four different groups: Alpha 1, Alpha 2, Alpha 3, and Alpha 4. I was in Alpha 3. Our beloved and respected JW, Junior Warrant Officer, Pawan Indorasa, was our instructor. Uh, he has taken us, and though I had met our daredevils, great para commandos, Marcos, and Garud commandos. They were also there as a part of their 1 month training. I interacted with them and made a better friendlyhood with them during our interval times. Um, they were so nice to us. They gave some advices, some directive methods, and yes, of course, the advices how to join in Paracommando and how to join in army and what should we do for that, etc., etc. Everything. That 1 month time enough to say that, to interact with them. It was quite nice. Uh, then every day we had physical training as well as ground training um, and apparatus training also. Uh, after that was quite a little bit tough. Yes, that was a little bit tough. The ragadas and training sessions was quite pretty good as well as pretty good. But uh, our Indorasa, our instructor, he was very simple. At the same time, he was responsible and strict in his duty. He molded us, he carved us, he trained us how to make a successful jump, and how to jump from how to make a good jump, and how to handle the air, and how to land safe, and how to make a happy landing also. uh, he also taught us how to pack a parachute, how to handle the parachute, how to handle the drift of air, and how to make a better and happy landing also. uh, he he injected everything into us. Then after training sessions, after the training days, we all were settled, uh, and after that we had two level selection process, not selection, two level tests also. First is a fear, we call that a fear test, which was done in the aircraft, and the second one is a 30 feet jump. We had to jump from a 30 feet height. That was this another one, and that's all. We done everything. We all, we the 40 cadets all passed that test. The fear test was a different experience for me. Um I was first in an aircraft, a military vehicle, uh, AN-32. Yes, Antonov 32, two-engine military aircraft. Mm, that was a vehicle, dropping vehicle. Yes. After the test, everything was good and everything was quite easy. Not easy. Everything was, yeah, nice. Then uh, we all waited for that moment, for that first jumping day, and it will come. It has come to us. That day is come, and that our first jumping day, 19th November 2019. We In that morning we wore our fish suit and went from PTS to our hangar and waited for the aircraft. to come. And soon the aircraft was come, and we got into it. Uh, we done everything, that is the procedures in the inside that aircraft. We done everything and checked everything was is good or okay. Then yeah, we all were settled to make that good shot, make that good jump. And uh, we after that some moments we thundered like a lions, that is Chhatri Mata Ki Jai, uh, and stood up. And soon that yellow light, which was a symbol of symbol to make a check and make that position, that indicates that yellow light was shine. uh, we were taken exiting position. And uh, after a while, after 2 3 seconds, the green light was blinked. then then we jumped like lions, jumped like bullets, and made a good jump. And here I have to mention, I have to specify a moment, a better experience, that is I felt. uh, if we jump from an aircraft to a height, we jump from 1200 feet from AN-32 aircraft. If we make a good jump, we will feel we will be oscillated. We will be oscillated like a simple pendulum ball, that is for a 4 to 5 seconds. um, that's just like this, we will be oscillated for 4 to 5 seconds, just like a simple pendulum ball. uh, that feeling, yeah, it was very good. If I would say it was the most excited and most ecstatic moment in my life. um, then I checked everything, that is सामने के नज़दीक and पीछे के नज़दीक and आगे पीछे दाहिने बाएं, everything was fine, everything was good. The premises was nice. Then I feel I felt yeah, everything was good. Then I enjoyed the drift of air, and I flew like a bird. And after some after some seconds, I felt that I am going to land. I made such para position, that is just like our instructor said. uh, I made that position and landed safely. Fear. Uh, I won't say that I'm not a. I didn't have any fear, because I had little bit fear, but I was more than that. I was that much confident. I trusted in my um, instructor's instructions, and which he had taught us. I gave my full confidence to him. So I at that time I didn't feel that much fear. But yes, I had little bit, but not that much. That was my first jumping experience. And the very next days and the consecutive next days, we jumped 3 times, also more 3 times. Um Everything was successful, everything was happy landings, everything, the no casualties, no injuries, no that much injuries. Everything was nice. Yeah, that was my jumping experience. Then I would say, uh, if we have jumped from an aircraft, or if we have jumped from a height, uh, then I am damn sure that we will go for second, third, and fourth, and so on. We won't fear. We will not fear anymore, because that is para jumping. If we have jumped from once, if we are jumped once, you will be definitely go for second, third, and so on. So Yeah, that was my experience, the most incredible experience in my life, which was given through my NCC life.
मेरा नाम इश्रा मुल्ला है और मैं कर्नाटका एंड गोवा डायरेक्टरेट से हूँ, बेलगाम ग्रुप 1 गोवा बटालियन। तो हमारा इस कैंप में सिलेक्शन कैसे हुआ? हमारे यूनिट में वैकेंसीज आई थी, तो जो कोई भी इंटरेस्टेड था वो अपना नाम दे सकता था। उसके बाद हमारा पर्सनल इंटरव्यू हुआ और फिर फिज़िकल टेस्ट, मेडिकल टेस्ट और बहुत अलग अलग टाइप्स की टेस्ट हुई। फिज़िकल स्टैंडर्ड्स होते हैं वहाँ पे सिलेक्शंस के लिए, सो वो मैं मेंशन कर दूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में। और जैसे कि आपको पता है ये कैंप नवंबर में था, तो हमें जून से थोड़ा टाइम दिया गया था अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए और फिर उनके सामने अपना फिज़िकल स्टैंडर्ड्स प्रूव करने के लिए। सो गाइस, आफ्टर द सिलेक्शन वाज ओवर, हमें पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन करना था और बहुत सारी फॉर्मेलिटीज़ कंप्लीट करनी थी। उसके बाद हमारा कैंप 1 नवंबर को स्टार्ट होने वाला था और हमको 3 डेज़ प्रायर इधर से निकलना था, क्योंकि यहाँ से वहाँ जाने के लिए बहुत समय लगता है। जैसे ही हम आगरा पहुँचे, वहाँ सब कुछ अलग माहौल सा लग रहा था। हमें 1 डे ऑफ था, क्योंकि हम उसी दिन आए थे। फिर जैसे ही हमारी ट्रेनिंग शुरू हुई, बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला हमें इंस्ट्रक्टर्स से। हमारी अलग अलग टाइप के हार्नेस ट्रेनिंग हुई, व्हील ट्रेनिंग हुई और मॉर्निंग रूटीन एज़ यूजुअल, वर्कआउट एंड ऑल। और आफ्टर 14 डेज़ ऑफ ट्रेनिंग आखिर में वो दिन आ ही गया जब भी हमारी फ़र्स्ट जंप होने वाली थी। वो दिन बहुत ही स्पेशल था, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हमें फ़र्स्ट टाइम एयरक्राफ्ट से जंप करना था, वो भी विदाउट एनी सपोर्ट एंड एवरीथिंग। अपने ही बलबूते पे हमें खुद से जंप करना था और खुद से ही लैंडिंग करनी थी। वो फर्स्ट जंप बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड भी थे हम और बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस भी, क्योंकि हमें कुछ भी नहीं पता कि आगे क्या होने वाला था। लेकिन हमें अपने इंस्ट्रक्टर्स पे पूरा भरोसा था, क्योंकि उन्होंने हमें इतनी अच्छी ट्रेनिंग जो दी थी। आफ्टर फर्स्ट जंप लैंडिंग के बाद मुझे पता चला कि जहाँ पे हमें पैराशूट जमा करना है वो बहुत दूर है, और यहाँ से हमें वहाँ तक पैराशूट फ़ोल्ड करने के बाद लेके जाना था। और वो पैराशूट 24 केजेस का पूरा हैवी हमें थक के फ़ोल्ड करने के बाद यहाँ से वहाँ तक लेके जाना था। और फिर हालांकि थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, पर इन सब चीज़ों से आपको बहुत मज़ा आता है बाद में जब आप पीछे देखते हो तब। और आफ्टर द फर्स्ट जंप हमें एज़ हमारी फ़र्स्ट जंप हुई थी, हमें लड्डू दिया गया था। तो इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल मोमेंट, क्योंकि हमें ये हमेशा याद रहेगा। और आई एम श्योर जो भी कैडेट्स पैरा बेसिक कोर्स करके आएंगे दे कुड रिलेट। तो गाइज़, हमारी फ़र्स्ट जंप बहुत ही यादगार थी। और आफ्टर 2 जंप उसके बाद वाले 2 जंप्स भी बहुत अच्छे थे, बट हमें फ़र्स्ट और लास्ट जंप हमेशा याद रहेगी, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सारे इमोशंस जुड़े हैं। तो गाइज़, पूरे 40 कैडेट्स अलग अलग स्टेट्स से आए थे, अलग अलग कल्चर्स से आए थे। थोड़े लोगों को तो लैंग्वेजेस भी समझने में दिक्कत होती थी, फिर भी हम मिलजुल के रहा करते थे। दैट वाज द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर इंटीग्रेशन, नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन का। और एनसीसी ने ये हमें यादगार मोमेंट्स दिए हैं, और बहुत सारे कैंप्स हैं जहाँ पे हमने बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा किया है। और ये वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस था मेरे लाइफ में, बहुत मज़ा आया था। आई कांट एक्सप्रेस इन वर्ड्स गाइस। हमारे वापस आने के बाद यहाँ पे बहुत सारे चेंजेस दिखे, बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिसिएशन मिल रहा था हमें। सो गाइस, लाइफ में कभी भी हार मत मानना, ट्राई करते रहना जब तक आपसे हो सकता है। और do what you can with what you have and whatever you are. And also, whenever you think you can or you cannot, you are right. हमारी ट्रेनिंग के टाइम वहाँ पे आस-पास हर जगह मोटिवेशनल थॉट्स डिस्प्लेड रहते थे और वो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेटेड फ़ील करवाते थे और हमें कभी भी गिव अप करने का सोचा भी नहीं। ये एक्सपीरियंस ने हमें लाइफ़ की और बहुत ही ज़्यादा पॉज़िटिव बनाया है और हमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा हम इन्फॉर्म्ड है अभी आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के बारे में, उसके रहन-सहन के बारे में, उनकी डिसिप्लिन के बारे में और बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। हमारी ऑफ़िसर्स के साथ बातचीत हुई और हमें उनका एक्सपीरियंस भी पता चला और आर्म्ड फोर्सेस में कितना ज़्यादा अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट है, उसके बारे में पता चला। तो ये भी एक अच्छा-सा एक्सपीरियंस था, हमें इन्फॉर्मेटिव और अवेयर बनाया इस चीज़ों ने। ऑल टुगेदर दिस कैंप वाज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट और हमें बहुत मज़ा आया और हमें हमेशा याद रहेगा ये कैंप। तो गाइज़ ये वीडियो इधर ही ख़त्म होता है, इंटरव्यू यहीं ख़त्म हो जाता है और अगर आपको कुछ भी पैरा बेसिक कोर्स रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस या क्वेरीज़ होंगे तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें पूछिएगा। तो गाइज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और जिस किसी को भी स्कैम में जो कोई भी स्कैम में इंटरेस्टेड हो उनसे सबके साथ शेयर करना। और हमारा एक फुल वीडियो है जहाँ पे हमने पैरा जंप्स किए हैं, तो वो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, आप जाके देख लीजिएगा वो भी वीडियो। और अगर आपको हमारा चैनल पसंद आया हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। थैंक यू।